Hi everyone, Sell It All You Cars. We are back with this 2014 Mini Countryman. This one's a Cooper SD. It's the All4 model and it is automatic. It's done 70,000 miles. It's finished in a light white. It's got the John Cooper Works Chili Pack and Styling Pack. Got the gloss black pack as well. Got the black roof, black mirrors. Rides on the 18-inch twin spoke diamond turned wheels. Got the xenon lights. Very nice car. Fantastic condition. Barely a mark on it, as you can see there. It's got the privacy glass. It's got your parking sensors. Your registration number there for your checks if you wish to carry any out. Good spec on this one. It's got the media pack for navigation. Heated seats. It's got the polar beige gravity leather. Looks really well in the white with the gloss black. Very nice car. Let's show you inside. We'll begin with the boot as usual. Good sized boot on the Countryman. You've got folding seats as well. All very nice and clean in there. Got your parcel shelf as well. Inside, as I say, we've got the polar leather, which is a nice contrast with the white. Got your isofix and your centre armrest. All in very nice condition. This one's also got the interior mood lighting as well. And of course, rear electric windows. Got your John Cooper Works kick plate and steering wheel. Tiny bit of wear on the driver's seat, but not out of the ordinary for a 70,000 mile car. Got folding mirrors. Got the paddle shift as well. Fully automatic. Got climate control with your heated seats. But we'll go through those bits in a second. Let's start her up so you can see there's no warning lights. So there you have it. Oh, screen wash and fuel light. We know how to fix them. Put some screen wash in it, put some fuel in it. There you go. No nasties. 70,529 miles. We've got cruise control, audio controls, auto lights and wipers. As I've just mentioned, you've got your climate control with your heated front seats, just there, look. Also got sport button as well. Auxiliary input and USB as part of the media pack there. Got your centre armrest. Up top here is your iDrive type system. Vehicle information, let's see what we've got in here. Vehicle status. Fuel reserve and washer fluid, we know about that, that's alright, we can live with those. Service required, all good, as you can see there. We've got DAB radio, just there, look. Also got Bluetooth audio as part of the media pack. Of course, we've got navigation, as you can see there. That's really about it. All the other bits and bobs that you would expect from the full pack. We've got parking sensors to the rear. Hammocks are all in the glove box. All your switches to change your mood lighting, look. I don't know if you can see that just changing there, look. Green, 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 more green, blue, blah, blah, blah. There you go. Cracking example. Good spec, rare car, especially with the JCW kit, give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.